500,000. It's 500. And I'm a five, when I get $500,000. And I get five, when I get $500,000.
About 300.
300, thank you now. Now 3 1/4. Now 325, but I get 50. Now 75, but I get 375,400. Now 4 1/4, gonna get 450,000. Now 75, 500. Now 5. Anybody but 5 to get 5, but I get 500,000. If 475, then gonna get $500,000. 500. Now 5 1/4, get 20, get 25, but I get 5 1/4, get 20, 25. 20, now 30. Now 530. Now your turn. Now 30 to 30, 30, get 30, get 20, then gonna get now 30. Here, $530,000. Here, 530, 30, get 30, get 30, get 30, when I get 30. Oh, you gotta think you now. Now 540. Now $540,000. I'm gonna get 540. When I get 40, 50. Now 550,000. Here, 550, get 50, gonna get $550,000. Think you now. Now 565. Now 75. Now 507, get 7, get 575. Here, 575,000. Here, 507, get 7, get 575. Here, 575, so you're gonna get 80, get 5, gonna get 85. And I sold it right there for $575,000 plus our 10% buyer's premium.